Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to use abbreviations to write Java code rapidly. So the first abbreviation we will see is sysout, which allows us to obtain Systematprintln. So we have to type sysout, then simultaneously we have to click on Control and space. So as we can see, it is replaced by Systematprintln. Now the next abbreviation is if. So control space, we obtain a list of suggestions. So if we want if only, we select the first suggestion. If we want if else, we select the second suggestion. So here, let's do some modification. Now the next abbreviation is for. Let's type for, then control space, and we have a list of suggestions. Let's select the second suggestion. And here we have I variable used 3 times and it is selected. So if I want to modify the name of the variable, I have just to modify it 1 time and it will be modified every time there is I. So let's call it, for example, count. As you can see, it is replaced 3 times. Now with tabulation, I can move to the second variable. So this is array. I can remove it and replace it with 10, for example. Now the next abbreviation is WH, which allows us to obtain while, so control space, and I can select the suggestion I want to use. The next abbreviation is do. The next abbreviation is try. Control space, I can select the first suggestion. And here, as you can see, the catch does not contain anything. It just contains a command. Let's say that I want to create a new abbreviation for try, which allows me to obtain try catch, but in the catch, I can obtain the content and the description of the exception. So to do this, I will make a copy of this code and then I will create a new abbreviation called try. So to create a new abbreviation, I have to click on Windows, then Preferences, and in this window, I have to select Java, then Editor, then Template, and in the template here, as we can see, we have the list of the available templates. So this is the list of all the available templates. So as you can see, we have, for example, the try catch. It is here. And in my case, I said I want to create a new abbreviation for the try catch statement. So I will click on new, then the name will be try. The context will be Java statement because I want to use it inside methods. Then for the description, it is optional, so I will just say my new try. And for the text that will be used, this is the text that I have copied. And in the catch, I will just say e.printStackTrace. That's all. Now let's click on OK. Let's click on Apply and Close. Now I can use it. So I will just type try, then control space, and it is the first suggestion. So I will click on Enter to add it. Now the next abbreviation is to obtain the switch statement. So I type SW, then control space, and here I can select the second option. Now this is one single case. If I want to add a new case, there is no abbreviation to do this. I can create a new abbreviation that allows me to create a new case. So I will just make a copy of this. Then I will go to Window, then Preferences. Then I will create a new abbreviation. Let's call it case. The description, the context will be statement. The description will be my new case. And as I said, this description is optional. And the pattern is what I have copied. Then, okay, I have to click on apply and close. Then I can use this new abbreviation. So let's type case and I select the first option and it is inserted. Just I have to modify the value of val and that's it. But as you can see, my code is not formatted correctly. To correct this, I have to click on source, then format, and all the source code is now formatted correctly. The last abbreviation is main, which allows us to obtain the public static void main. So I have to type main, then control space, and to select the first suggestion. As you can see, this is the public static void main. Finally, thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.